These are radish sprouts and microgreens, and actually it's the same seeds, but it's grown in two different methods. So you can see that this is a shorter and with the roots, and this is longer, and I've removed the roots. Okay, so Jade will try. Yeah. What's the taste?
A little pungent.
Pungent.
A little pungent.
Okay.
I wouldn't say it's spicy.
Any heat? Okay, then you try this.
I think there's an after heat.
Yeah,
There's
after
a little
taste.
bit after
Okay,
taste.
yes. Is there a difference?
I feel that this is a little bit more spicy. What it tastes is definitely tastes different.
Okay.
If you, this is more, I would say it's like pungent.
Okay.
But this is more like spicy.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right. Okay. So now we'll put sprouts on the tomato and eat it.
I can just
This, yeah. Is there a difference? Eating with the tomato?
spicy.
Okay. All right.
Thank
Okay.
you.